Three men are now in jail after an hours-long standoff with law enforcement in Beaver County last night. I-15 just south of Cove Fort was shut down for hours.
And that's mainly because one of the men was shooting at law enforcement. News specialist Alex Cabrero joined us live just outside Utah Highway Patrol. And Alex, the good news here, nobody was injured.
That's right, Mike. I asked them about that, and they say no officers were injured in this entire incident last night. I also asked the Utah Highway Patrol if any patrol cars were shot. They tell me they don't think so, even though they say this man shot toward them several times last evening.
Locals will tell you not much happens along this stretch of I-15 in Beaver County. So when something big happened at mile marker 122 last night, they'll be talking about it for a long time.
We had multiple SWAT teams from different jurisdictions show up.
Normally, a UDOT traffic camera picture of the area would be pitch black at night, but all those law enforcement officers created quite a scene.
There was well over 100 officers that were there.
And Beaver County Sheriff Cameron Noel says they were all there in this normally quiet spot because of a man who was shooting at law enforcement officers.
This individual was dangerous. I talked with an officer that had a shot fired at him.
This all started when a Utah Highway Patrol trooper noticed a car speeding.
The driver ended up stopping, but then the driver exited the vehicle and fled on foot.
The two other people in the car were arrested, but somewhere out there was the driver. And as troopers started looking for him, he started shooting at them.
Somebody shooting at you, it is going to be a very stressful and very scary situation.
That's when backup was called and the Interstate was shut down.
We were able to not worry about our citizens traveling. This individual was shooting right towards the freeway.
Finally, about 6 to 7 hours later, the man gave up. No officers were injured. He was taken to jail, and this quiet spot was quiet again.
It was a pretty hectic night for Little Beaver County.
William Brooks is the name of the man police arrested last night. He is from out of state. He is now in the Beaver County jail. He is facing several charges, and UHP tells me he has a long criminal history. As for what led him to even start running away from law enforcement in the first place, that's something UHP tells me they're still investigating. Mike and Edie?
Yeah, just glad everyone's okay. Alex, thank you.